bonafide respect to all crew and all youths. See, our road Mr. Marley is a foundation of reggae music. So look at him, styling for Marley. Free reggae, free, yeah. Out from Jam Down, this reggae musician. For Marley, the musical prophet from the courts of Jah, Rastafari. So he had to fly for survival. So what can you do when I am shooting of Jah Rastafari come together and be alright? Peter, well, he's the natural mystic. See what Bob Marley came and warned you and I with a crazy ball hard. He say, enough of them are hypocrites. And I hold it for them a parasites, yeah. Come around to spoil you and I life. Hey, see but no friend, no friends in this year society. Hey, no boys to define them identity. Hey, so Marley and them came and worked it out in a one drop. But Marley Exodus was right on spot and said guiltiness. Guilty, yeah. Guiltiness. Open our eyes, children, and look inside. Don't you see the life that I are living in? And I see that Babylon still have the rat race going on. So look at me, styling it. Bob Marley, rubber. See, them and woman work on the night shift. See so many misty mornings and crisis is running away, and then they come and see righteous, just right back and right. Just right now to life. Hey, just wake up and live, yeah. Because Marley and them knew them backyards and slave drivers was going to set all these ambush. I know drumstick, and the bunting, the easy one, the squeezy. See when we hit the brandy, they came and shut and billion, shut the sheriff. With roots rock reggae music everywhere. So smile Jamaica, with no respect and no apologies. See what it's like that you and I are shivering of Jah Rastafari come together and come, you better come together and be alright. See Marley and them, but Marley and them from uprising. Bob Marley and the Wailers uprising. Give thanks, you know, and bonafide respect. One love. New Orleans. Club Caribbean. Bonafide respect. A Junior Clan production.